This is the memorial service of late Junior Pope as family, friends, well-wishers and his colleagues all join hands to appreciate God for being with them all through this 1 year period of mourning. And when you look at the wife, you will observe something. I believe that she will be stronger and stronger regardless of the situation. In everything, give God all the praise. Let's touch like the video.